Okay. It's a lot of snow, isn't it, Izzy? Not too sure she likes it, is she? Baby's first snow. Kind of weird, huh, Izzy? Oh, got some snow on your nose. Oh, there she goes. Well, I don't think she hates it. I think she's trying to get away from it. Oh, I bet she's looking for some grass to go potty in. Oh, she's liking that snow, huh?
I think she does.
Yep. Yep, found a spot of grass, found a blade of grass, huh? Ooh. That's pretty cold out there, huh, Izzy?
Look at the drift.
She's gonna dig in it, huh? She's digging in the snow. What you building out there?